Hello friends, I welcome you to this video which explains the text formatting and text sizing in HTML. Okay, so let's look at what is text formatting. So formatting is something like making the text bold or making the text italic or underlining a text. So these three operations we call it as formatting this particular text, whichever text. So what to do this formatting, and can that formatting be applied more than once? So let's discuss this. So this text is bold. So any text which is bold, which attracts you, okay, so anything that while writing any web pages or something like that, make something bold, okay, which need to be very important. So and italic, something which need to be emphasized, make such things italic. So if you want something to be underlined, so use that underline tag. And can you use all of them? Yes, in one thing you can make it bold, you can make it italic, as well as you can underline the text. So look at this text is bold also, it is italic also, it is underlined also, and a mixture of that can be made. For example, italic and underline, bold and italic, underline and bold. So anything can be done. If you want to compare this with a normal text, this is the normal text. So for this normal text, this is bold. For this normal text, this is italic, this is underlined, and so on. So this is about text formatting. Okay, so how to achieve that text formatting? So let's look at the formatting commands. So this text is bold. If you want make some text bold, so include B tag. So B tag is bold tag. So anywhere every tag should have a start and an end. So you know this already. So this is the start tag, this is the end tag. So whatever comes within that text will be bold. So similarly, whatever comes within I, that will become italic. Whatever comes within U, that will be underlined. And if you want all three of them in one, for example, U underline, I italic, B bold. So note that when you have U, it should be closed first, and then I, and then B. So this is the way to close them first. So this is the normal text which doesn't have anything here. So it is just a simple P tag one, doesn't have anything. So this is about text formatting. Okay. Then we have something called superscript and subscript. So what is subscript and what is superscript? Let's look at the output. So subscript is something like written like this. So which, for example, H2O, the water. So we call H, consider this as H, this is 2 and this is O. So that's how the subscripts are represented here. And superscript means, for example, A square. So A square is represented this way. Okay, so there is one more tag for formatting called strong and EM. So strong, so if you have something called strong, so the strong one means it is bold. So strong is nothing but bold, and there is something called EM, emphasize. So emphasize is nothing but italic. So just to note these commands. So what you need to know: B for bold, I for italic. Similarly, strong is also bold, EM is also italic, U for underline. So I think that's what you need to know. And sub, so sub is for subscript, sub for superscript. So note these two commands also. And let's see, can we do some, I think I will open this Mozilla Firefox. Let me open the, okay, Chrome. So in the Chrome, for example, the same one, first let's open this. Okay, so here if you want to see how it is written, you can see here. So this is how they are written, instead of me going back to that editor. So this is the easiest way. Okay, so here what I need to change and show you is what I'm thinking. Okay, so EM, I think EM is understood. So EM is nothing but the italic. Okay, so let's go back to text sizing. Okay, so the text size, for example, this one is in H1, so header 1. So anything that is important, for example, name of a lesson or something like that, so they all can be made as text sizing H1. Okay, so this text is in H2. H2 is subsections. So sections or subsections of a lesson. So you can make it as H2. H3 is little subsection. So I think you can safely consider this as a lesson heading. This is a section. This is a subsection. And if there are some things more than that also in that particular document, so you can use them. You can go up to H6. So all headers, so up to H6 you can go. So the normal one, how the normal one look like? This is the normal text. Okay, so okay, first let's restrict this here itself. And text sizing H1 is of this height, H2 of this size, H3, H4, H5, H6. So can we do anything here for H6? So let's look at this. So this H6, okay, so you can change here itself and see H1, and as soon as you make this H1, this also will become H1. Okay, so look at this. So it was H6 so far, but I changed it to H1. So this big it has come. Now H1 to H5. Let's do something like, sorry, let's do something like H5. Okay, observe that. So it has come to this H5 stage. Even though the name is H6, so it is a H5 one at this stage. Okay, similarly there is something called small and big tags. They are also available. Okay, so which can increase the, for example, I have made this small within the small. So look at this, it is really small. So this is the normal one. So this is small, and big tags are special. So big is really big. So look at this big. For example, instead of big, I want to change something here. Okay, bigger. See, small and bigger tags are special. So that's how it looks like. So this small and big are special because within a small you can add one more small. So small. So look at this. This is already small. This is small. So this is small and small. This is small and small came to this small, which is one more font size lesser, and big has increased and it has become 2 times big. So otherwise this is normal font size. Okay, so I think this is what I wanted to target in this particular session. Okay, so and there is something called BG color for the body. There are 2 things which you have to experiment. So the BG color is white I have given. So for example, if I change it as red, so you can see that the whole thing is red. There are so many colors that you can change. So but I will whatever I like, I will just change and show you. So magenta, okay, and pink and blue. Let's make it blue. Okay, so and this text, so text is text color, so which is black currently. Okay, so I will make it as white. Just look at how the white looks like. Okay, and change it to anything else, magenta. Okay, so this is magenta color, this is pink color. So yeah, so many things are there. So you just change it and observe how these things are changing. And yeah, I think that's it about this video. Thanks for watching.